Cefla was founded in 1932. It all began on the 4th of May in Imola. The 9 founding members opened a small workshop near the Porta Montanara, each of them paying in a membership fee of 100 lira. Over the decades, we grew, we diversified. Creating value over time. Every day we work to create value. This concept of progress is the hallmark of our mission. Guided by groundbreaking research, we pour our shared passion into every task. We nurture ties with the local community and provide markets with constant support. In every sphere, we focus on sustainability, environmental, economic, and social. Growth has been constant thanks to investment research, development and innovation, patents, technological breakthroughs, internationalization. Today, Cefla is a multi-business industrial group operating in several manufacturing fields. The historical heart of the company, this business unit is Italy's leading provider of civil, industrial and power generation plants in the energy and global service sectors. Produces coating, decoration and digital printing technology for multiple industries and a wide range of surfaces. One of the biggest, most experienced producers of high-quality dental and medical equipment. Group company operating on industrial lighting markets, producing customised electronic applications and LED-powered solutions for horticulture. Every business unit and everyone who works in them shares the same vision: to discover new solutions and new markets, to provide superlative skills that help our customers improve people's quality of life. This is us. Making your life better.